Bone marrow is an essential tissue found within the cavities of bones, primarily in the pelvis, spine, ribs, and sternum. Though often overlooked in discussions about health and vitality, it plays a crucial role in keeping us alive. Bone marrow is responsible for the production of blood cells, which are vital for various bodily functions. Without healthy bone marrow, the body would be unable to produce the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets needed for survival, making it one of the most important systems in the body. The most well-known function of bone marrow is the production of red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to tissues. Throughout the body, red blood cells are crucial for maintaining oxygen levels in the blood and ensuring that all of the body's organs and tissues function properly. These cells have a lifespan of about 120 days, and because of this, the body constantly needs to produce new red blood cells to replace those that have expired. This is where bone marrow comes into play. Bone marrow contains hematopoietic stem cells, which are multipotent cells capable of differentiating into various types of blood cells, including red blood cells. The process of red blood cell production begins in the bone marrow through a process called erythropoiesis. When the body detects a drop in oxygen levels, usually in response to conditions like anemia or high altitudes, the kidneys release a hormone called erythropoietin. This hormone signals the bone marrow to increase red blood cell production. The stem cells in the bone marrow differentiate into erythroblasts, which then mature into red blood cells. These newly formed cells enter the bloodstream, where they begin their job of transporting oxygen. In addition to red blood cells, bone marrow